Welcome to Luxury Car. Today we are diving into the extraordinary 2025 Rolls-Royce, a true marvel of automotive engineering and design, renowned for its impeccable craftsmanship and timeless elegance. Let's explore the exterior of this magnificent vehicle, from its design influences to its performance and innovative features. First, let's take a moment to appreciate the overall design philosophy of the 2025 Rolls-Royce. The brand has always been synonymous with luxury, and this latest iteration takes that to the next level with a blend of modernity and classic sophistication. The front of the car boasts the iconic Rolls-Royce grille, now even more prominent with a subtle yet powerful presence, framed by sleek, narrow headlights that incorporate advanced LED technology for a cutting-edge look. The grille is framed by polished chrome and acts as a symbol of grandeur, elevating the car's aesthetic appeal. Moving along the side profile, the 2025 Rolls-Royce features a perfectly balanced silhouette, characterized by flowing lines and curves that speak to the car's aerodynamics. The long, elegant hood leads seamlessly into a sculpted body, with gently flared wheel arches that house large, polished wheels, which enhance the car's imposing stance. One of the standout elements is the coach door, which opens rearwards to create a dramatic entrance, offering both style and convenience for passengers. The rear of the 2025 Rolls-Royce is equally stunning, with a design that reflects the brand's signature attention to detail. The rear lights are sculpted into the body with a sharp, crisp design that contrasts with the flowing lines of the car, creating a perfect balance between elegance and aggression. The car's rear end also includes a well-integrated diffuser, improving aerodynamics while maintaining the vehicle's refined appearance. Now let's talk about performance. The exterior of the 2025 Rolls-Royce has been designed not just for beauty but for performance as well. Underneath, the car features an aluminium space frame that provides both strength and lightness, ensuring optimal handling and efficiency. The car's sophisticated suspension system, paired with adaptive dampers, ensures that the 2025 Rolls-Royce glides effortlessly on any surface. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating tight corners, the ride remains smooth and composed. One feature that continues to set Rolls-Royce apart from the competition is the attention to detail in the exterior materials. The 2025 model is available in a range of bespoke finishes, including an array of unique paints and luxurious chrome accents. Each car is customized to suit the owner's personal taste, making every Rolls-Royce a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. In terms of aerodynamics, the design team has meticulously crafted the 2025 Rolls-Royce with wind resistance in mind. The sculpted surfaces and optimized design elements help to reduce drag, improving fuel efficiency without sacrificing the car's signature smooth, regal appearance. The low and wide stance further enhances the car's road-holding capabilities, ensuring it remains steady and composed even at high speeds. To conclude, the 2025 Rolls-Royce exterior is a perfect representation of the brand's legacy, blending timeless luxury with modern performance. From the front grille to the rear diffuser, every detail has been carefully crafted to create an automotive masterpiece. If you're someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the Rolls-Royce of 2025 is a car that should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews of the world's most luxurious cars.